Lesson 2. Blinking an LED. In this lesson, we learn how to use the LED module. Opened our tutorials, find the Starter Learning Kit lesson. We are learn the second lesson, blinking an LED. Let's code blocks for this experiment. At the first, we need use a forever block. The forever block is a block that loops any other command blocks inserted into it over and over again, forever. It starts from the top and executes your code in order, working its way to the bottom and then starts at the top again. Second, we need use the digital write block. The digital write block enables you to turn a pin on or off. There is a drop-down option for which pin you want to control, and it accepts a variable as the pin state. You use 1 as on and 0 as off. If you prefer, you can also use Boolean states of true and false, but we will use 0 and 1 as our standard throughout this guide. Thread. We use the pause block. This block has been introduced in the previous lesson. This lesson is not detailed. You can browse the previous video or watch our tutorial. Fourth, download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right-hand corner of the code window. After download the program to microbit, you can see your LED blink on and off at 1 second intervals.